Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to pair your Sony wireless Bluetooth headphones to your cell phone. Now today we're going to be doing this on an Android phone, but if you have an Apple phone, stick around because I know the process isn't exactly the same. It is fairly similar. So these Bluetooth headphones from Sony are the Hear 3 headphones, model number WH-H910N. If you have a different model of headphones, also stick around because I know the process is going to be fairly similar for you. But hey, if you're new here, my name is Ken, welcome, and we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Now we're going to jump into two different methods today. The first method is connecting these directly to your Bluetooth in your phone, and that's simple if you just want to connect and start listening to music right away. And the second method is actually using the app that you can download from your app store, and that's going to allow you to have more settings and control over your headphones, and that's probably what most of you are going to want to do. So we'll go through both of those methods quickly today. The other thing I do want to mention is if you're having trouble, you are going to want to reset your headphones to start over from fresh. So what you do, there's two buttons here. One is the power button and one is the C button. Hold those down, and you're going to have to hold them down for about 7 seconds, and the light is going to start to blink blue, and that's going to reset these headphones. There it goes, and you're all set to start with a fresh connection. So let's jump on over to my phone and show you exactly how this is done. All right, so I've got my phone, I've got my headphones, and we are all set to connect them. So the first thing we need to do on our phone is go ahead and open up the settings on our phone. Now I've got an icon here on my desktop. I could just push that. If you don't have one of those, go ahead and swipe down from the top. And I'm looking for the little gear logo or icon. For myself, it's in the top right-hand corner. If you don't see it, maybe ask someone to help you out, but go ahead and click on that gear icon. And that's gonna bring you into the settings for your phone. Now, once you're in the settings, we are looking for the Bluetooth options. And again, for myself, on this Samsung phone, it's right here at the top under connections. If you don't see it there, you could go ahead and click on the little magnifying glass and do a search. So in the magnifying glass, just type in Bluetooth and you should be able to find it right on your phone. So let's go ahead and click on connections here, and that's gonna bring up our connections on our phone. Now, we're looking for the option that says Bluetooth, and for myself, it's the second one down. There's a little toggle switch on the right-hand side. If that is turned off for you, you're gonna wanna make sure that's turned on. So go ahead and click that. Mine's blue, so I know it's turned on, but if it's not, just click it and turn that one on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click on Bluetooth, and a whole list of Bluetooth items comes up, and you can see which items my phone is connected with. So the one it's connected to right now is my watch, but there's a whole list of items there. Now, we need to make sure our headphones are discoverable so that the headphones and the phone can talk to each other. So what we're gonna do is turn on our headphones, and because we reset the headphones, it's gonna go directly into pairing mode. So you're gonna hold down the power button on your headphones for 2 seconds and turn them on. You can listen to it, it'll say power on. So let's go ahead and do that. It says power on, and it says Bluetooth pairing. And on our phone, you can see there's a little scan button. If it's not popping up, just hit scan, and it should start talking to the phone. And you're gonna see a couple different options that come up here. At the very bottom, it says WH-H910N. Might not say exactly the same for you, but it says h.Ear. So we're gonna click on that one, and it's got a little kind of headphone logo with a square and a circle next to it. We're gonna click on that, and that's gonna start pairing, and it says pairing at the bottom. And I don't know if you can see this part. On my screen, it popped up, Bluetooth pairing request, hit OK. So I'm gonna just hit OK. And it's gonna connect it. It says WH-H910N is connected. And these are connected. I should just be able to hit play on some music and listen to it, and we are all good. So that's the first method. Let's jump on over to the second method and show you how to download that app and connect it that way. All right, so I've gone ahead and held down both those buttons again for 7 seconds so I can show you with a fresh start on these headphones how to connect them with the app. So on your phone, go ahead and open up your app store. On Android here, it's called the Play Store. And once you've got that opened up here, what we're looking for, just do a search for Sony Headphones Connect. And I've already got that punched in here, but Sony Headphones Connect, search for that. And it's gonna bring up an app that looks something like this. It's got 1 million+ downloads on Android. We're just gonna go ahead and install that here on our phone. And once that's installed, we'll open that app up and show you exactly how to do this. All right, it's all done installing. We're gonna go ahead and open up that app. I've got it here on my phone desktop. And once that's opened up, it's gonna look something like this. You can select your country and you have to hit that you agree to their agreements. And we're just gonna click on that, hit start, and it's gonna start loading up their agreement. Again, go through that and make sure you read it and just hit next and agree and proceed once you approve that. And it's going to allow you to start registering your device. So once you've approved all the terms and conditions, you're going to come to this screen where it says register through Bluetooth settings. And then there's a second option, register a wired headphones from the list. We want to select the first one, register through Bluetooth settings. So go ahead and hit the plus sign next to that. And then it's going to ask us to hold down the power button for 7 seconds, just like we did before. And I'm just going to hold that down. Until that blinks blue, which it just started to do. Then I'm going to hit next while it's blinking. And there's an option here that says Bluetooth settings. So this is going to take us back out to the Bluetooth settings in our phone. And again, we can scroll down to the bottom. If you're not seeing it there, you could hit refresh at the top. And it's the WH-H910N at the bottom. Go ahead and connect that. And it says Bluetooth pairing request, and I'm going to hit OK. And it jumped up to the top area here, and it is connected. And actually, my phone asked me if I want to allow Google Assist to work. So if you do want to do that, you could hit accept there. Now, I'm going to hit the back button here, and it's going to take us right back into the app. And it says WH-H910 is registered. We're going to hit OK. And you can restore settings. Here, we're going to just hit proceed without restoring. And this is going to open up different settings that you can set up your phone with different functions. And I'm not going to go through all of these, but it's going to allow you to access all sorts of different things in your phone and set it up the way you like it. So let's get right in here. Setup is complete, and you can go to your dashboard in your phone and do all sorts of stuff in here. You can adjust different sound things, analyze your ear, optimize sound. There's different system settings, automatic power off, so how long it takes for your headphones to turn off, all those sorts of things. So you can definitely have more options with your headphones when you use the app, and I highly recommend that you do so. And it's that easy to connect your Sony Bluetooth wireless headphones to your cell phone. If this video did give you value, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Connect with me on social media. You will find all those links below. Subscribe here on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, take care.